Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. This is your host, John McCaig. A really simple one. Bulletproof trust that we have available is a 508c1a. It's church. It's an exception. Watch this. According to the IRS, right? U.S. Code 508, special rules with respect to Section 501c3 organizations. So that 501, this is a 508 C1A. So no filing requirements. You just get an EIN, but there are no filing requirements for trust. You don't have to file annually or once or ever. It can't create any income. It's 100% exempt from income taxes and from reporting. What could be better than that? I don't know. Have you ever paid a dime in income tax? Well, you don't need to. You never had to. If you simply followed my instructions and used one of these trusts, you'd never have to pay income taxes again.